Okay, now we'll start with our points. So searching algorithms. So already we have completed. So in that we discussed the linear search and binary search, and we have implemented the algorithms also. The same documents I have given to you, right? I have shared these documents on a WhatsApp group. So these notes. Now next is the sorting algorithms. So sorting algorithm. So why we need to go for the sorting algorithm? So what is the reason? So why we need to study the sorting algorithms? Already we discussed the this part. So just we'll take we'll revise, and after that we will start on the Google sort. Sorting algorithm study करण्याची गरज काय आहे आपल्याला? What is the purpose of studying the sorting algorithm? Now suppose if you want to apply the searching algorithms, right? So linear search is there, and you have a list of elements, unsorted list of elements, and you want to apply the searching algorithm. So which algorithm you need to apply? तुमच्याकडे अनसॉर्टेड लिस्ट आहे, न्यूमेरिकल linear search apply करायला, right? Now suppose if you want to apply the binary search, is it possible to apply the binary search on an unsorted order?
No.
So what you need to do? So if you want to apply the binary search algorithm, or by using the binary search algorithm, so you want to search the atom from the list, but the list is unsorted order. So what you need to do?
First sort the list.
Yeah, good. So first you need to sort the list. So how to sort the list? Yes. So to sort the list, so we require the sorting algorithms. Am I right? लिस्ट सॉर्ट करण्यासाठी आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल? पहिल्यांदा सॉर्टिंग अल्गोरिथम्स अप्लाय करावं लागतील, आणि नंतर आपण बायनरी सर्च अप्लाय करू शकतो, राईट? सो सॉर्टिंग refers to arranging the data in a particular format, and sorting algorithm specifies the way to arrange the data in a particular orders, right? So we discussed the two real life scenarios. So first scenario we discussed, that is the telephone directory, right? So who will explain about the telephone directory? So how telephone directory is sorted, or how it is in the sorted form? All of you are aware with the telephone directory?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So is it in the sorting order, or it is in the different order?
No, sir, in sorting order.
Yes. So numerically it is sorted, or alphabetically?
Alphabetically, sir.
Alphabetically, right? Good. Now after that, next dictionary, English to Marathi word dictionary.
Yes, sir. Alphabetically sorted.
Yes, same, by using the alphabetically sorted, right? So we'll take example of your division. So already your roll number is assigned to you. Now how your list is sorted, in which order? By considering your roll number, or by considering your contact any other people?
By considering
Roll numbers, right? So roll number is the numerical, or any characters?
Numerical, sir.
numerical.
So here your list of the students of division A and list of students of division B. So that is also in a sorted order. So but here we are using which format? Numerical format, right? So from in which order it is sorted? Increasing or decreasing order?
Increasing. Ascending.
Increasing.
Increasing. So roll number is starting from 1 up to 70, right? Or 69. So that is depending on the strength of the class, right? So this is called as the sorting algorithm. Now, how many sorting algorithms? Already we have discussed this terminology: stable, not stable, right? And adaptive, non-adaptive. So important term: increasing, decreasing orders, non-increasing, non-decreasing orders, right? Now, how many algorithms are there? So how many algorithms we are going to discuss here? So here, is it visible to all? PPT. Bubble sort, insertion sort, merge sort, quick sort, selection, cell, radix, and heap sort, right? So these many algorithms, so we will discuss. Out of that, so few of the algorithms we will implement, right? Now we'll start from the bubble sort, right? So it is a simple sorting algorithm. So this is very simple sorting algorithm. So this sorting algorithm is uses the comparison methods, right? Or we are calling this is the comparison based algorithm. So in this algorithm, so two adjacent element or two elements we are comparing with each other from left to right, right? So we are considering from the left. So element we are considering from the left, and first two elements we are comparing, and greater element we are shifting at right side, and lower element we are shifting at the left side, right? So we are checking which element is greater, and accordingly we are applying the sorting, right? So here, so how this algorithm is working, so we'll discuss the actual by considering the example. So this is the list of element. So how many element is there in this list? So we'll take this
Five.
example. 5 elements are there, right? So 14, 33, 27, 35, and 10. So it is in the sorted order or unsorted order?
Unsorted order.
Unsorted order. Now we'll apply the bubble sort technique or bubble sort algorithm on the same list. So bubble sort start with the very first two elements. So we are considering the first two elements and comparing them to check so which one is greater or which element is greater. Now here, so different color is used, light light blue color is used here. So 14 and 33. So first two elements. Now we'll compare the first two elements. So 14 and 33. Now in this case, so whose value is greater?
33.
33.
Right. So if 33 is greater, so greater value we are considering at the right side, right? Greater value we are considering at the right side. Means here, so this 14 and 33 is in the shorthand format. No need to do the changes here, or no need to do the change of their location, right? So it is already in the shorthand form, right? Now consider the next two, right? Come to this step. So 33 and 27. Now compare the next two elements. So which element is greater here?
33.
33.
But 27 is less as compared with the 33. But what is our rule? So we need to shift the greater element at which side, left or right?
Right.
Right.
Right side.
Right.
So what we need to do here? What we need to do?
Interchange.
We need to
Swapping.
interchange, or we need to swap the elements, right? So we'll apply the swapping technique. So everyone is aware with the swapping technique, right? Already you have completed the program related with the swapping of two elements. So by considering third temporary variables. So same we will apply here, and we'll swap the element, right? So 33 is swapped with the 27, and 27 is swapped with the 33, or we will interchange. Now after interchanging of the these two elements, so new array is generated, and it will look like this, right? So 14, 27, 33, 35, and 10, right? Now next step. Now next two elements, so 33 and 35. Now compare these two elements. So is it necessary to do the interchange or swapping?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
Sir.
Now someone is saying yes. So why we need to do the swapping? Swapping करायची गरज आहे का?
No, sir.
No, because 33 is smaller than the 35. So already it is in the sorted form, right? Now come to the next two elements, so 35 and 10. So is it necessary to apply the sorting,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
right?
sir.
So 35 will sit to the right side and 10 will sit to the left side. So 10 is smaller than 35, so hence they are not in a sorted form. So we'll apply the swapping technique here and we'll do this. Now, so after swapping, so here list is completed. Now, greater element is at which position? At left side. Now, we are now showing how an array should look like this after each iteration, right? So 35 will be shifted at the last, right? Now again, the same procedure we will repeat in the next iteration. Now after next completion of next iteration, so which element will come second last here?
33.
33.
33.
Now after that, in third iteration, which element will come?
27.
27.
27. And in the fourth iteration,
14.
14.
14, right? And in the last
14.
iteration,
10.
10.
10. Is it necessary to go for the last iteration? Not required, right? So the lastly, after completion of all the iterations, so array is completely in a sorted form, right? So this is the outcome we will get, right? 10, 14, 27, 33, and 35, right? So this is called as a bubble sort. So all of you understood the theoretical concept, how the bubble sort is working.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Is there any doubt related with the
Yes, sir.
bubble sort?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now we'll move to the how to implement the same concept. So whatever the concept we discussed now, so how to implement it by using the C program. So now we should look into the some practical aspects of the bubble sort. So here algorithm is given. So right. So we'll consider one user-defined function. So everyone is aware with this. So how to write a user-defined function bubble sort? We'll pass the list of array, right? Now for all elements of the list, so list of I is greater than list of I plus 1. Means first 0 will compare with the 1, right? And if the previous element is greater, so we'll apply the swapping. Otherwise, so we'll keep them as it is, right? So can I start directly on a turbos implementation of bubble sort? So
Yes.
I hope all of you understood the concept. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Turbo C. Turbo C is visible to all. So this TC is visible. Now you can run your programs on online compiler also, no problem. But here the best practice is, so we'll use our Turbo C compiler for the programming. Here I write the code. Now I'm expecting the few of the input part from your side. So what to write first? Suppose I want to implement the same concept.
Hash include
header file, sir.
header file. So hash include
stdio.h.
stdio.h. After that, next header file,
Hash include conio.h.
hash include conio.h. Right. So after that,
Main
next,
function void main.
next void main.
Main.
So void main. CLR, SCR. So these are the things we require compulsory. Right. Now, how to start our program?
Before CLR, SCR declare variables.
Before CLR, SCR, we need to declare the variables. So we required one list. So first we'll define the list of element in the program itself, and after that, so once our program is completed, so we'll modify it, right? So we'll take the input from the users. So afterwards, so first we'll define the list in a program only. Now, how to define the list in a program? Suppose int, tell me the array. So list of here. Max I have written like this, right? So equal to. So can I write max like this? Is it allowed to write max here? Can I write like this max? So list is array. List is the variable of array, and here instead of number, so I want to write some value. Is it allowed? Here you can mention all the elements. Now we discuss the 5 elements. So which 5 elements we have considered, or any other elements also we can. We'll copy this one. So 184603527. Take this in. So 1, 8, 4 for any element. It is not typing. Is it visible to PC? PC is visible. Hello, am
Yes,
I
sir.
audible?
Yes,
Yes.
yes, sir.
Now, if I want to type 1, 8, so we'll take unsorted order. So now, what is the value of max? So can I define here? So can I write like this? So define max and value of max. Suppose here I have written 10. So is it allowed to define the variable like this? And here automatically. Now, what is the value here? What is the value?
10.
An.
10. Now, suppose here I have written 15. Now, what is the value here?
15.
15.
50. Right. This all of you understood. So here, for our understanding purpose, we'll take only 5. Right, or 10. 10 is also okay. Right. So 1, 8, 4, 6. Any other? Now you can tell me the elements. Any numbers.
5, 7, 9.
Unsorted order. Unsorted order. I'm expecting 5,
2.
2,
9.
7, 9. How many
Three.
elements?
0.
1, 2, 3, 4. 0 also will take. किती झाले एलिमेंट बघा 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more element.
3, sir.
3.
Now, is it okay? So this is the unsorted list we have considered. Or suppose I want to define this list outside of the main as a global. Is it allowed? Can I define here as a global variable?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, suppose in our list one number we write in double. So what happen?
I mean, it's duplicate. Duplicate, you want to say?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll see. First, we'll write a program, and after that, we'll consider some duplicate elements, and we'll check what kind of output we are getting. So
Okay.
it will be sorted. No, don't worry about that. Right. So they will remain as it is. So two element will remain as it is. Now here, so in the wide main, we'll have a search, directly what we will do. So we'll write a separate functions. So printf post suppose if you want to display this list, so how to display it on a screen? So already we have seen in the previous program. So if you want to display this list on a screen, ही लिस्ट मला स्क्रीनवरती डिस्प्ले करायची तर कशी डिस्प्ले करणार? डिस्प्ले करायचे असेल तर कशी डिस्प्ले करणार? इनपुट array means, right? So I want to display this list on a screen. Now how to display? So separate display function will be separate what display function we will write. So how to write a display function? Is it possible?
इनिशियलायझेशन करावं लागेल.
काय इनिशियल डिस्प्ले फंक्शन आपण इनिशियलाइज करूया. काय डिस्प्ले करणार इथं? Or directly also you can write here only. So wide display. Initialization कसं करणार? Wide display. So here I will do the definition. I will write the definition of the display. Separate display function I have written. So this is the user defined. Now in the main directly I am calling this display function. Now how to display this list in a screen on the output screen. काय करावं लागेल? आपण ऑलरेडी याच्यात हा पार्ट इम्प्लिमेंट केलेला आहे. So here I will define one variable. So int I for loop. So for so what to write?
Initialization.
I is equal to 0. What to write here? I less than. What should I write here?
Max.
Max.
I
Right. After that, I
I
plus plus. Now inside of this for loop. So what do you want to display? So what you want to display? So printf काय डिस्प्ले करायचं आपल्याला? लिस्ट डिस्प्ले करायचं. So here I write %d comma list. What is the name of array? List of what? List
I.
of, right. So is it correct? So we'll check
Yes.
it is working or not.
Sir, I is less than or equal to max.
Less than max we need to consider. So because what is the value of max here? 10. Right. Now if you consider here max minus 1, so then you need to write a equal. Is it visible to all?
Sir.
Huh? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Visible,
Visible.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, so I have compiled the program. Now we'll check the whatever the list we have considered. So it is displaying or not? It is displaying or not? Now the list of the element input array, and after that this list of element is displayed on the screen. But is it possible to identify? So we need to give the place between the two elements. So we'll do some little bit formatting here. So we'll give a pace. So here only.
/t.
Or only one pace is sufficient, right? And if you want to display by using the bracket, closing and curly bracket, so we'll write it like this, printf. Can I use such a kind of brackets? Such this kind of, yes. And where to write closing bracket? This. Now this kind of coding is not that much important, but for your understanding purpose, and that. Now it is displayed. So input array. After that, in front of that array, so this list of the element is displayed. Now is it visible properly?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the first part input we have completed. Now here in the wide main, here also after input array. So I will write /n so that whatever the next list of elements we are getting, so that will be displayed on the next line, right? Now, next part. So we have considered the list and we have displayed it on the screen also. Right now, next part. So what is the next part? So you need to apply the sorting on that.
Sort.
So how to apply the sorting algorithms? How to apply the sorting algorithms? Can I write a separate method for like a display? Separate user defined function is okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So like here I will write bubble sort, right? So first we need to define or you can directly write the definition. No problem. So why main
Void bubble short, na sir.
sorry why bubble sort. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so in that what to do? Now, so first we'll display the input array. After that we'll call the bubble sort. Now here, so what to do? So already you have a list of elements. Already you have a list. Now we need to apply the swapping technique. So for that purpose, so we'll take one example. So one variable 10. After that, so we are using the for loop also. Two for loops we need to use. So in for in the first for loop, so we'll use the I, and in the second for loop, so we'll use the J. And one flag we'll consider here. So how to know the element we have swapped or not? Element आपण स्वॅप केलाय का नाही हे कसं कळणार आपल्याला? त्याच्यासाठी एक फ्लॅग घ्यावा लागेल. ठीक आहे. सो दॅट वी विल टेक आफ्टरवर्ड. सो फर्स्ट विल इम्प्लिमेंट द प्रोग्राम. So first for loop, so I is equal to 0, right, less than max. So already we have displayed, defined this list as a global, right, this array. So can I consider these variables in the bubble sort? A bubble sort मध्ये consider करू शकतोय का ही list? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. कारण मी कुठे डिफाइन केलेली आहे ती directly वरती डिफाइन केली. but how many elements you need to consider? आता ह्याच्यामध्ये मला स्वॅपिंग करायचं आहे. पहिल्या या दोन एलिमेंटची, परत या दोन एलिमेंटची, परत या दोन एलिमेंटची, नेक्स्ट टू म्हणजे मला हे लास्ट दोन एलिमेंट, राईट, म्हणजे मला सेकंड लास्ट एलिमेंट पर्यंतच कन्सिडर करायचं इथं. आय हा फॉर लूप कुठल्या सेकंड लास्ट एलिमेंट पर्यंत लागणार आहे. म्हणजे मी इथं काय लिहितो, आय लेस दॅन मॅक्स मायनस 1 आहे. लक्षात येते का सर्वांच्या? हा फॉर लूप कारण आपण कंपॅरिझन करणार. सो व्हॉट वी आर डुइंग, सो वी आर कंपेअरिंग द एलिमेंट. सो हाऊ वी आर कंपेअरिंग, सो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट इज कंपेअर्ड विथ द सेकंड एलिमेंट, राईट. नाउ फॉर द कंपॅरिझन पर्पज अगेन वी नीड टू टेक द अनदर for loop. So here nested for loop will use. So first for loop for the selection. Here we give some space between the two functions. Now here this loop. So this for loop. So for what purpose we are using this loop? Loop
Sorting.
for all numbers, right? So we are considering, right? After that, so we need to consider one more loop for selecting the actual element. J loop will consider j is equal to 0 less than j. Now all of you give attention here. Max now in this loop. So what I am doing, so first elements I have considered. मला पहिल्यांदा कोणते एलिमेंट कंपेअर करायचे, 1 आणि 8. So what is the value of 1? Value of I. I ची व्हॅल्यू काय असणार आहे सुरुवातीला? 0 असणार आहे. ठीक आहे. मग 0 असेल त्यावेळी मला काय करायचं, ते कोणते एलिमेंट कंपेअर करायचे, पहिल्यांदा हा एलिमेंट आणि हा एलिमेंट, म्हणजे 0th लोकेशनचा एक एलिमेंट आणि 1th लोकेशनचा, हे दोन कंपेअर करायचे मला. ते कंपेअर करण्यासाठी मला काय करावं लागेल, मग ते कंपॅरिझनचा एक कोड लिहूया. सो फॉर एक्झाम्पल हियर आय विल राइट सो j प्लस प्लस. इथं ही कंडिशन थोडीशी चेंज करावं लागेल, बघूया आपण. सध्या तर जेचा काही फरक पडणार नाही. ठीक आहे. मग आता हे कंपेअर कसे करणार, सो हाऊ टू कंपेअर दिस टू. Can I write directly here? So printf कंपॅरिझन कसं करणार, तर कोणते एलिमेंट्स कंपॅरिझन करणार आहे, तर एलिमेंट्स कंपेअर्ड विल डिस्प्ले एलिमेंट्स कंपेअर्ड. कोणते एलिमेंट्स कंपेअर करणार आहे तुम्ही, ते आपण आधी डिस्प्ले करूया वाटलं. सपोज इफ यू वांट टू डिस्प्ले इट ऑन द स्क्रीन, percentage no. So how to display the elements of, can I say like this, d stop j हा पहिला एलिमेंट झाला आणि दुसरा एलिमेंट काय असणार आहे, d stop
J plus 1.
yes, very good, j plus 1, right. Now here we have displayed only, right. So what I want to do, so I want to apply the comparison. आता इथे काय केलेलं आहे मी डिस्प्ले केलेलं आहे फक्त. म्हणजे इथे कोणते एलिमेंट्स डिस्प्ले होतील. आता सुरुवातीला आय ची व्हॅल्यू 0 असेल बरोबर आहे. त्यावेळी जे ची व्हॅल्यू काय असणार आहे 0 असणार आहे. ठीक आहे. जे ऑफ हा आणि आपल्याला प्रत्येक इटरेशनला कम्पेअर करत जायचं. ठीक आहे. 1 आता इकडे लक्ष द्या. जे ऑफ 0 काय असणार 1. जे ऑफ 1 काय असणार आहे 8 असणार आहे. हे दोन एलिमेंट्स आपल्याला मिळाले इथे. दोन एलिमेंट्स मिळाले. फर्स्ट टू एलिमेंट्स राईट. नाउ वी नीड टू डू द फर्स्ट विल डिस्प्ले इट ऑन द स्क्रीन. एलिमेंट्स कंपेअर्ड राईट or atoms elements compared. So the two elements will display it on a screen. Now how to compare? So we'll need to write the we'll use the epels here. So for the comparison, now we need to compare the first these two elements. So how to compare? First element is list of j. Ha pehla elements ka hai list of j. After that, so what is the condition? So we'll check. So list of j is greater than list of
J plus 1.
j plus 1. Now, if this condition is true,
A plus 1, sir.
j plus, can I write here one tab? Inside the for loop, so what we are writing inside this j for loop, right? In the nested for loop. If, so we are comparing. So if the condition is false, is there any problem? Is it necessary to do the sorting? जरी कंडिशन ट्रू असेल तर सॉर्टिंग करावं लागेल का और स्वॅपिंग करावं लागेल का? So list of j is the first element, right? And list of j plus 1 is the second element. So what we are checking here, so first element is greater than second element. If the condition is true, means you need to apply for the swapping, right? And if the condition is false, means is it necessary to apply the swapping? Condition false असेल तर swapping करायची गरज आहे का?
No.
No.
आणि जर कंडिशन ट्रू असेल तर स्वॅपिंग करावं लागेल का?
Yes.
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 Yes, we need to do the swapping. Now everyone is aware with the swapping technique. Now how to do the swapping? आता swapping कसं करावं लागेल? We have defined one variable here, temp. So first I will copy the value of list of what? List of first element. So I will copy here. After that, in the second step, so list of j is equal to what? List of
J plus.
J
J plus 1.
j plus 1, right? So what I am writing here, so all of you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
If you are not able to
J
understand,
plus 1 is equal to temp.
yes, j
Plus 1
Plus
is equal to
1.
temp.
So equal to 10.
Temp. PM.
Now is it okay? Right. Now after completion of swapping, so after completion of your swapping, so you can display one message. Element is compared like this, element is swapped. Is it right? So what we need to do, what we need to change here? So instead of compare, element after swapping, elements after swapping, na? After swapping, is it right? So we'll display the
Yes, sir.
values of elements after sorting. Now, else, if the condition is false, so then what you are doing? Else. Else, what you are doing? Else, display one message. Element is elements are swapped like this in the else. So if this if loop is false, so you can display the message element is not swapped. Right. So in this way, so we are sorting the elements. But the problem is that so we'll check this by considering the J and by considering the list. I will copy the list for our understanding purpose. So here we'll take it for the discussion. So we'll see. So whatever the code we have written, so that is working on. Okay. Now, what is the first element here? So we'll check this code is working or not, or is there any changes required in here? So first element, what is the first element?
1,
1. And second element
8,
8. Now come to this loop. So for what is the value of I here? G.
1,
Initiate.
0, 0,
What is the value of G?
0,
Now come here. So list of J. So what is the value of list of 0 and list of 1? कोणते एलिमेंट्स आपल्याला कंपेअर करायचे?
1 and 8.
1 आणि 8. 1 आणि 8. All of you give attention. So now compare these two elements. So compare these two elements 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 is compared. So this 1 is greater than 8. This condition is true or
False.
false? Condition
False.
is false, right? So the here the elements are not swapped, right? So we'll
Yes,
display
sir.
the message like this. After that, so come to this loop. Now, what is the value of I?
1,
What is
1.
the value of I?
1,
1. Now, the value of I is 1 and value of J is also. Now, still we are inside the J, not outside the J. Just a minute. इथं आपण आता स्वॅपिंग केलेलं आहे बरोबर आहे इथे एलिमेंट इज नॉट स्वॅप राईट हा इथेच थांबणार आहे आपण या जे लूपच्या बाहेर पडतोय का आपण जे लूपच्या बाहेर पडतोय का
नाही.
नाही हा अजून आपण जे लूप मध्ये जाऊ ठीक आहे मग नेक्स्ट जे ची व्हॅल्यू नेक्स्ट काय असणार आहे व्हॉट इज द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ जी now we are talking about first iteration what is the value of j is equal to 1 right now list of 1 what is the value of list of 1
8,
8 and list of 2
4,
can I write here value of j so that you are able to understand so current value j ची आता 0 झाली सॉरी 0 फक्त ते करंट व्हॅल्यू 1 आहे ठीक आहे नेक्स्ट आता j ऑफ लिस्ट ऑफ j मीन्स 1
डबल स्लॅश मध्ये द्या. प्रोग्राम मध्ये पण आपल्याला problem आहे.
हा राईट आय विल ठीक आहे 0 1 ठीक आहे नेक्स्ट आता काय कम्पेअर करणार आहे 8 4 कम्पेअर करणार नेक्स्ट काय असणार 1 म्हणजे काय होणार त्याच्या 1 लोकेशनला काय आहे 8 आहे आणि 1 प्लस लोकेशनला काय आहे 4 आहे
4.
now compare 8 and 4 8 is greater than 4 condition is true or false
True.
True.
condition is true
True.
so we'll apply the swapping right इथं आपण आता
Yes.
swapping apply करणार आहे so after swapping so we'll display the swapped element right and we'll come to this table now after swapping so here so 4 will be shifted first and after that comma 8 काय येईल आपल्याला 4 comma 8 येईल ठीक आहे next आता next iteration what is the value of j here in the next iteration at the time of next iteration
2.
right so next iteration is 2 now the list of j list of 2 what is the value of list of 2
8.
8 8 and 6 we need to compare right so list of j is list of 2 is 8 and list of 3
6.
let's compare the 8 is greater than 6 it is true or false
True.
True.
true apply the swapping right after that so here so this element is get changed इथं काय होणार आहे परत हे चेंज होणार 8 कधी येणार हे 6 नंतर येणार ठीक आहे now come now what is the next value of j
3.
3.
now list of 3 ची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे 8
8.
list of 4 ची व्हॅल्यू काय येईल j plus 1
5.
ची 5
5.
now compare 8 greater than 5 condition true or false
True, sir.
True.
condition true so we need to apply the swapping right so swap these two elements 8 कुठे येणार इथं right now after that next equation
4.
now what is the value of least of 4
8.
2.
8 and least of
List of
5
j plus 1, 2.
8 आणि 2 आहे ठीक आहे मग इथेही स्वॅपिंग होणार राईट
Yes, sir. Condition true.
condition true so next what is the value of j now
5.
5 right now after that so what is the value of list of j
8.
8 again 8 7 so compare 8 7 so we
True.
need to apply
Condition
the
true.
swapping condition true we need to apply the swapping 8 आपला शिफ्ट होत चाललेला आहे या साइडला ठीक आहे now next value of j is 6 so same j ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे 6 j list of 6 is 8 list of 7 is 3 so compare 8 3 so 8 is greater than 3 condition true or false
Condition again true.
again true so again we need to apply the swapping right so get 8 now this last part is very important now come to this one 7
False condition.
7 now condition is false right so elements are not swapped so this 8 and 9 will remain as it is now here the value of j is 8 value of j is 8 now what is the list of 8 list of 8 की value काय आहे 0 1 2
9.
नाही 8 9 आहे ठीक आहे लिस्ट ऑफ 8 9 आहे and लिस्ट ऑफ 9 किती आहे 0
0.
0.
0.
compare 9 is greater than 0 condition is true or false
Condition true.
condition true means 9 is shifted at last 9 is shifted at last 9 is shifted at last now here all of you have seen this. So what is the value of j now So j is 9 less than max. Right. Now come here, the list of j. Now, is it necessary to go further? आता इथे sorting झालेलं आहे. Sorting is completed. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Is there any element to go further? म्हणजे इथं आता हा लूप false व्हायला पाहिजे, पण इथं false होतोय का? This condition is becoming false or not? What is the value of j? 9. 9 is less than max. So still it is showing true, and but we don't require to compare the next value. Or next value is not available. So is it possible to compare? Logically it is wrong. So what we will do? So we'll do the changes. Can I write here -1? If I have written -1, so it will work or not? आता मी इथे
Yes.
-1 दिलं. इथं काय दिलेलं आहे? -1. So now value of j is 9. So condition is true or false?
False.
False. If the condition is false, means we will go from the outside of the this j. आता ह्या j लूपच्या बाहेर पडलेलं आहे. Now come to this I loop. Come to this. Here I will write the values of I. Now initially, so what is the value of I? Now what is the value of I here?
1.
1. Right? So again, so first iteration is completed. Now we'll come to this for loop. Now again we'll start from the 0. But is it necessary to go here? आता ह्या लास्ट इटरेशनला जायची गरज आहे का आपल्याला परत? लास्ट 9 ला कंपेअर करायची गरज आहे का? Now, so before 9 up to 0 only we need to compare, right? After that in the next iteration up to this one, or up to this one, or up to this one, right? So here, so can I write like this? So minus I. It will work or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now all of you understood. So why I have written here my max minus 1 minus I. हे कशासाठी लिहिले लक्षात आलं सर? म्हणजे इथं ही व्हॅल्यूज काय इनिशियली काय असणार ही व्हॅल्यू? आता सुरुवातीला आय ची व्हॅल्यू काय होती? 0. म्हणजे इथं मॅक्स -1च होतं, -0 होतं. नेक्स्ट इटरेशनला काय असेल? मॅक्स -1 -1 असेल. त्याच्या पुढच्या इटरेशनला मॅक्स -1 -2 असेल. नेक्स्ट इटरेशनला -3 -4. म्हणजे आपल्याला लास्टला किती कंपेअर करावं लागतील? 2च एलिमेंट कंपेअर करावं लागतील. Right? Screen is visible to all.
Yes,
Now
sir.
all of you understood up to this. So why we have written these 2 for loops? What is the purpose? And why we have written these conditions?
Please repeat, sir, this condition.
These conditions, right? आता इथपर्यंत फर्स्ट इटरेशन सर्वांच्या लक्षात आलं. आता नेक्स्ट इटरेशनला आपण सेम नेक्स्ट इटरेशन आता इथपर्यंत लक्षात आलं. नेक्स्ट इटरेशनला काय असेल? आय ची व्हॅल्यू 1 झालेली आहे. ठीक आहे. आता या इथे j इज इक्वल टू पुन्हा काय असणार आहे? 0 असणार आहे. आता लक्षात एक 2 इटरेशन आपण डिस्कस करूया म्हणजे लक्षात. नाउ व्हॉट इज द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ j हियर? नेक्स्ट इटरेशन j इज इक्वल टू 0. So j less than max -1 minus I. So what is the value here? What is the value of max? We have considered a max value is 10. Right? Max value I consider 10 minus 1. Now what is the value of I here? 1. So here, for our understanding purpose in there, right? 10 minus 1 minus 1. So what is the value here?
-2.
8. किती असणार आहे? मॅक्स 10 आहे, ही 1 आहे आणि आय ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे आता करंट? नेक्स्ट इटरेशन आता सेकंड इटरेशनला आपण 1 आहे बरोबर आहे. आय ची व्हॅल्यू 1 आहे म्हणजे 10 मायनस 1 मायनस 1 इथं काय आलेलं आहे इथं 8 व्हॅल्यू आलेली. आता जे ची व्हॅल्यू सुरुवातीला किती आहे 0 लेस दॅन 8 कंडिशन इज ट्रू ऑर फॉल्स. कंडिशन ट्रू आहे का फॉल्स आहे.
True, sir.
ट्रू. आता जे ची व्हॅल्यू 0 कन्सिडर करूया ठीक आहे. नाउ एलिमेंट्स कंपेअर. नाउ दिस इज आवर अपडेटेड लिस्ट. नाउ we are checking for the next iteration. Now elements compared first element the j of list of j list of 0 कोणता एलिमेंट आहे लिस्ट ऑफ 0 ला
1.
1
1.
and list of j plus 1 ला कोणता एलिमेंट आहे
4.
4 means we are comparing which elements 1 comma 4. Now come to this if loop, right? Come to this if loop. Now 1 is greater than 4 condition is true or false.
False.
False. Is it necessary to do the swapping? So directly here will display the elements are not swapped, right? Now next iteration. So next is the value of j is, what is the value of j? 1, right? So here condition is true, 1 less than 8. So here check the values. List of 1. What is the value of list of 1? List of 1 ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे here 4. Is it visible to all?
Yes, sir.
आता लिस्ट ऑफ जे ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे 4 आहे आणि लिस्ट ऑफ जे प्लस 1 ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे 6. कंपेअर करा 4 greater than 6.
False.
False. Is it necessary to do the swapping? No. So now j is equal to 2. J is equal to 2. Now what is the value of list of j or list of 2? j ची आता करंट व्हॅल्यू 2 आहे 6 and j plus 1
5.
5. Now compare these two. 6 is greater than 5.
False.
6 is greater than 5.
No, sir. Condition get false.
So 6 is greater than 5. Condition true or false?
True, sir.
ट्रू असणार आहे ठीक आहे. ट्रू असल्यानंतर काय करतोय आपण स्वॅपिंग करतोय. सो विल स्वॅप दिस 2 एलिमेंट्स म्हणजे आपण हा फिफ्थ ह्या साइडला आणि 6 कुठं आलेला आहे ठीक आहे. नाउ आफ्टर स्वॅपिंग सो j is incremented by 1. So now value of j is 3. Check the value of j. आता लिस्ट ऑफ j काय लिस्ट ऑफ j ची व्हॅल्यू j ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे 3 6 j प्लस 1 काय आहे
2.
6 is greater than 2. Condition true or false?
True, sir.
True.
We'll do the swapping. Condition true असेल तर swapping करतो. After that, what is the value of j now? Next iteration 4.
4.
Right now, list of 4. What is the value of list of 4?
6.
What is the value of list of j plus 1? 7. Right.
Yes, sir.
So compare the 6 and 7. 6 is greater than 7.
False.
So element is not swapped. Right. Now next is the 5. J value is 5. Now what is the value of list of j or list of 5? List of
7.
5. 7. 7 comma list of j plus 1.
3.
Now compare the 7 and 3.
Condition true.
Condition true. Apply the swapping here. Right. So here 3 comma 7. Right. Now next is the 6. Now compare list of j. Now elements compare. What is the value of list of 6?
7.
7. And what is the value of list of j plus 1?
8.
8.
Now 7 is greater than 8.
False.
False, sir.
False. Condition false.
Not swapped.
Not so. Good. Now value of j is 7. Now list of j. List of 7. What is the value of list of 7?
8.
8.
8. List of
J plus 1, 0.
0.
0.
8 greater than 0. Condition true or false?
True,
True.
sir. Swapped.
True.
Okay.
Element is swap.
Swapped.
स्वॅप केल्यानंतर एलिमेंट्स कुठं आलेला आहे आता इथं आलेला आहे ठीक आहे नाउ नेक्स्ट इज द नाउ हियर j लेस दॅन max minus 1 minus I so here 8 so now next value of j is 8 now j what is the value of j now 8 so 8 less than 8 condition true or false
False.
false
False.
आता इथं कंडिशन फॉल्स कुणामुळे आली जर इथं आपण असं लिहिलं नसतं मायनस आहे तर काय व्हॅल्यू आली असते इथं काय लेवल आलं असेल ना इथं आपल्याला काय व्हॅल्यू आली असती 9 व्हॅल्यू ठीक आहे 9 व्हॅल्यू असेल तर काय होणार आपण हे लास्ट ही एलिमेंटला चेक करत बसणार इज इट नेसेसरी टू डू द चेक अप्लाय द चेकिंग हे लास्ट एलिमेंटला चेक करायची गरज आहे का ऑलरेडी दे आर इन द सॉर्टेड फॉर्म राइट सो दॅट्स वाय सो हियर आय एम रायटिंग मायनस त्यामुळे मी इथं काय लिहितोय मायनस आय लिहितोय मग आता नेक्स्ट इटरेशनला इथं कंडिशन काय झाली फॉल्स झाली j is equal to 8 if the condition is false means here so we are breaking this j for loop and we are coming to this I for loop now next value of I is third iteration we will apply the next third iteration again will start from the j is equal to 0 up to j7 त्याच्या पुढच्या इटरेशनला किती असणार आहे j च्या व्हॅल्यूज 6 नेक्स्ट इटरेशनला 5 next iteration la up to 4 3 2 1 and last iteration la fakta j comma 1 so to reduce the values of j so here we are writing the minus sign right now all of you understood this condition
Yes, sir.
आता लक्षात आली पुढे
Yes, sir.
रिपीट करायला सांगितलं होतं
Yes, sir.
now you understood
Yes, sir.
okay now here we have written the actual logic of our program now still we have not executed our program so now we'll check the actual execution of the program it is working or not so there logically we have written here whatever the logic we have written so that is correct or not so that we will check now up to this is there any problem now here we'll take one flag we'll take one flag for what purpose the element is swapped or not so for that purpose swapped flag will consider initially we'll give the value 0 or we'll write a flag here integer variables will consider we need to define so here so when we will do the swapping so at that time so we'll set this flag as a 1 now here so we are not doing any swapping so means value of flag is 0 we set the value of flag here now if you have done a swapping would set a flag equal to 1, right? After that, backward. म्हणजे एक तर स्वॅपिंग व्हायला पाहिजे. ते स्वॅपिंग झालं का नाही कसं लक्ष द्यायचं आपल्याला? किंवा हाऊ टू आयडेंटिफाय द लिस्ट इज शॉर्टेड ऑर अनशॉर्टेड? लिस्ट शॉर्टेड लिस्ट दिली तुम्हाला आणि त्यामध्ये एकही स्वॅपिंग केलं नाही तुम्ही, तर ते कसं लक्षात येणार? ते लक्षात येण्यासाठी हा फ्लॅग घेतलेला आहे. तर हा फ्लॅगची व्हॅल्यू चेंज झाली म्हणजेच काय झाली? तुम्ही स्वॅपिंग केलं होतं. जर तुम्हाला मी सॉर्टेड लिस्ट दिली आणि स्वॅपिंग करायला सांगितलं, तर स्वॅपिंग होईल, एलिमेंट स्वॅप होतील काही सॉर्टेड लिस्ट दिल्यानंतर. How to identify logically? How to identify the list is sorted or unsorted? So for that purpose, we use the flag. Where to write the element is swapped or not? How many number of iterations you have done? Flag is equal to 0, J. So here we have written so the element. Here this outside of the this J logo is right. So E flag is not equal to E flag is जर तुम्हाला इथे सॉर्टेड ऑर्डरची लिस्ट मिळाली तर डायरेक्टली तुम्ही काय करा, इथूनच ब्रेक करा. इज इट नेसेसरी टू अप्लाय द सॉर्टिंग फॉर द नेक्स्ट स्टेप? तर सगळेच एलिमेंट सॉर्टेड ऑर्डर मध्ये असतील तर कंपॅरिझन करायची गरज आहे का? नेक्स्ट इटरेशनला जायची गरज आहे का?
No, sir.
इज इट नेसेसरी टू गो फर्दर?
No.
येस ऑर नो?
No. No, sir.
सो फॉर दॅट पर्पज हिअर आय हॅव रिटन द फ्लॅग. द लिस्ट सॉर्टेड असेल आणि तीच तुम्हाला दिली आहे अजून एकदा शॉर्ट करा म्हणून, तर ती कशी आयडेंटिफाय करणार? त्यासाठी आपण इथं फ्लॅग घेतलेला आहे. फ्लॅग इज इक्वल टू 0 आणि इथं एकही स्वॅपिंगला एलिमेंट आला नाही म्हणजे काय अर्थ झाला त्याचा? लिस्ट मधला एकही स्वॅपिंग साठी एलिमेंट आला नाही, तर त्याचा अर्थ काय असणार की सगळे एलिमेंट हे सॉर्टेड ऑर्डर मध्ये. फ्लॅग इज नॉट इक्वल टू निगेटिव्ह फ्लॅग म्हणजे काय असणार? निगेटिव्ह फ्लॅग म्हणजे 0. So not equal to flag, not or if. So simply we'll write if flag is equal to 0. So flag is equal to 0 असेल तर काय असणार तिथं? डायरेक्टली आपण ब्रेक करणार. जर एक जरी स्वॅपिंग केलं आपण तर त्याचं फ्लॅग इज इक्वल टू 1 म्हणून सेट करणार. जर 1 असेल तर इथं काय होणार? ब्रेक होईल का? नाही. And here suppose if you have to display the number of iteration, so number of iterations, so we are displaying by using this I loop, right? So I for loop. So here I write so inside of this I for loop, so we'll display the message iteration number, iteration %D we can't write I, so I plus 1 we need to do. So because value of I is starting from the 0. And immediately we'll display the list. Suppose if you want to display a list, so how to display the list? already we have written one function, white display. So the same function we'll call here. Display. We'll check our program is working or not. What is the problem? So iteration 9. So we are getting all the iterations. Is it? Are we able to see the list? Output screen is visible to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So element after swapping, element up compared. So you can read it from the starting. Elements after swapping, T6. Elements compared 6, 7. Elements are not swapped. Elements compared 7, 0. Elements after swapping 0, 7. Iteration 3. List of the element is displayed. Element compared 1, 4. Elements are not swapped. Elements compared. So are we able to read the lines? So, but we require the proper output. So this output is proper, right. We'll do the changes a little bit. CNR, ECR input array. So after this printf, here we'll write a slash here. And immediately we'll display the message here. Whatever the list we are getting, so that list will display here also, right? Printf. Can I say? Yeah. I'll see here output. Is it visible to all?
Sir,
Now we'll.
hello, sir.
Yes.
We need to terminate void bubble chart.
We need to terminate. We need to close.
Yes, sir.
This already we have closed. So this you can just count. So 1, 2,
Last bracket, sir.
3, just 4, 5. EP तर क्लोज झाला. हा LC इथं क्लोज झाला. हा पहिला फॉर लूप. हा दुसरा फॉर लूप आणि हा इथं क्लोज केलेला आहे.
Yes. Terminate करावं लागेल ना, सर?
आहे का इथं
Colon ने.
क्लोज केलंय, क्लोज केलेलं.
Semicolon ने.
Bubble shot, where? No need to write. So this is the user defined function. So if you terminate here you want to terminate here like this. Here you want to terminate or anywhere else? इथं सेमीकोलन दिलं तर चालेल का?
No, sir.
No. If you
After
terminate,
completion of void function, sir.
if you write a semicolon, so all these code will not be considered. Right. So after completion of, so this one also. we are
Void
not-
mainच्या वरच्या तिथे, सर.
कुठे वाईड मीनच्या वरती इथे
Yes, sir, तिथं.
सेमिकॉलन नाही लिहित आपण युजर डिफाईन फंक्शनला लिहित नाही सो दिस इज द युजर डिफाईन फंक्शन स्ट्रक्चर मध्ये वापरतो आपण सो वी आर नॉट गेटिंग एनी एरर्स मीन्स वॉट एव्हर द सिंटॅक्स वी हॅव ऑल द सिंटॅक्स I will check. So we have added some. Now here we are getting input array. Output screen is visible to all.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now. Still we are not getting proper. Just 1 minute. MEC and BCSC PhD person. Now, whatever the output we got, so elements compared, so everything we are getting correct, but okay, again, where you need to do the changes. So for getting a proper output in a display,
It is
we have written correctly. So in the bubble sort, in the same function, because here, so whatever the elements compared, so we are writing.
सर एकदा टर्मिनेट करून ट्राय करून बघा.
Elements compared इथे येत आहे ठीक आहे हे एलिमेंट्स कंपेअर झालं एलिमेंट आफ्टर स्वॅपिंग इथे एक आपण स्लॅश n टाकतो स्लॅश n so that not swap slash n now we are getting a little bit so elements compared and elements are not swapped. Elements compared, elements after swapping, right? An iteration. Now we are getting the good output, and last is the output array. Now is it visible properly? Again, here slash n will type. Here we'll give a space. Here is also one space. Elements compared. So we'll give a space. Now, can I reduce the elements here? So I will reduce the size of this array so that we are able to. I will reduce the size of array. Now input array is 18465. Now after that, as a final output array is output stream is visible to all now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now how many elements we have considered here?
5.
5. So which one?
1, 8, 4, 8, 6, 5.
5. तर पहिल्यांदा काय कम्पेअर केलं आपण? एलिमेंट्स कम्पेअर. विच वन? 1, 8.
1 and 8.
एलिमेंट्स आर नॉट स्वॅप. ठीक आहे, स्वॅपिंग केली का इथं? नाही. नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट काय कम्पेअर केलं तुम्ही? एलिमेंट्स कम्पेअर्ड 8, 4. एलिमेंट्स आफ्टर स्वॅपिंग काय आले तुमचे? 4, 8 आले. ठीक आहे. आता एलिमेंट्स कम्पेअर्ड 8, 6. एलिमेंट्स आफ्टर स्वॅपिंग 6, 8. Now elements compared 8, 5. So elements after swapping 5, 8, and iteration 1 is completed. And so what is the list here? So 1, 4, 6, 5 and 8. Iteration 1 मध्ये list. परत next comparison केलं 1, 4 swapping ची गरज नाही. 4, 6 swapping ची गरज नाही. 6, 5 एलिमेंट स्वॅप केला. इटरेशन 2 मध्ये लिस्ट बघा 1, 4, 5, 6, 8 आलेले. परत 2 एलिमेंट कम्पेअर केलेले आहेत 1, 4. स्वॅपिंगची गरज नाही. परत 4, 5 स्वॅपिंगची गरज नाही. इथं आता थर्ड इटरेशनला गेले का बघा?
No, sir.
No, sir.
कारण एकही स्वॅपिंग केलेली नसल्यामुळं डायरेक्टली आउटपुट ऍरे म्हणून म्हणजे सॉर्टेड ऍरे म्हणून डिस्प्ले केलेला आहे 1, 4, 5, 6, 8. So for that purpose we have written flag आपण त्यासाठी लिहिलं. मग आता इथं तुम्ही ऍरेची साईज वाढवली. समजा आता आपण मगाशी किती घेतले होते? नंबर ऑफ ऍरेज. सो विल टेक 15 ना. सॉरी. सो विल टेक 15. आता आपण 15 घेऊ. Now tell me the elements. Now tell me the 3 or 2-digit number also you can take.
11.
11,
18.
18.
9.
2-digit number सुद्धा सांगू शकतो. इथं आता कॉमा 9 लिहितो. ठीक आहे. कॉमा 34. Can I write 7, 7, 9, 9. किती एलिमेंट झाले?
45.
किती आपल्याला पाहिजे? 1, 2, 3, 4,
12 झाली.
12. 45 लिहू इथं. Can I write 45? Okay. Any again 13. Again 2 more elements.
39.
39. Okay. कमी असतील तरी चालते. किती झाले एलिमेंट्स हे? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. One more is required.
55.
55. Okay. Now this is the list of elements. But is it possible to see the elements? So we'll do one thing. So we'll write one more function here, delay. So how many of you are aware with this function, delay? Delay function is designing, and here we are assigning the time. Here also I write delay, so that we are able to see the output slowly.
तर 100 केल्यावर खूप वेळ लागेल.
Microsecond. Delay functions have
DOS.h घ्यावं लागेल ना सर. DOS.h header file.
yes, right. So one more header files we need to insert here. Which header file? DOS.h. Still we are getting
Semicolon.
now it is of 0.
तर 100 म्हणल्यावर खूप वेळ लागेल आपल्याला.
नाही लागणार. मायक्रोसेकंद आहे. मायक्रोसेकंद. हा इनपुट ऍरे दिसलं सर्वांना. सो आय विल प्रेस एंटर. जाई जास्त वेळ लागतो. This is the final output. Now all of you understood the bubble sort?
Yes, sir.
It is interesting.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I will share the same program to you on your group. It what should do.
Sir, also share first two program.
Yes. Along with the first two programs, I will share.